Next week.
Next week. Salamat.
Wait, laro ka.
Semis. Wala pa nakakashoot ha. 2 points. 2-0. Fifteen seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Maraming salamat, Kurt and Martin. Steal.
Sabay-sabay tayo, boss.
2 points. Mikey Nepomuceno. 4-0. 4-0. Steal by Joaquin. No good. Di ba ba? Ivan. Salamat bro. Salamat. Sa YouTube na lang, sa YouTube.
Hindi kita ka na lang, boss.
Wala. 10 seconds shoot. Steal. Rebound by Charles. To Ivan.
Wala, may ligaw. May binabalik.
Joaquin taking 3. 3. Joaquin. 7-0.
Kahit isa lang pa ako nakita.
Pinupunta kami sa gamit sa mga buwan na yan.
Ayun, nakikita. Ayun, mga nakikita. Magkano yun?
Number 0, Olbia taking 3 then. No good. Rebound by Justine. To Ivan. 15 seconds shoot. Block by Maui. Ayun na, pinatulan.
Napilitan yan, Magday din. Pinakos.
Joaquin de la Cruz. Joaquin. Pass to Ivan. 12 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Charles, short jumper. No good. Rebound by Mikey. Mikey sa ilalim. 2 points. Mikey Nepomuceno. 9-0. No good. Rebound by Mikey. Foul. Good. Good ball. Pass to Ivan. Taking 3. Wala pa rin ibang by boy. 7 minutes and 40. Out of bounds. Stays with Team Maui. 7 minutes and 30 seconds. 16 seconds to shoot. 16 seconds to shoot. 16 seconds to shoot. Good ball. To number 1. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 1 looper shot, no good. Rebound pa rin number 1. Rebound steal by Charles. Now it's Justine. Pass to Joaquin. Joaquin, agad ng pick up. 2 points. Joaquin de la Cruz. 11-0. To Olbia. Olbia pa rin. 15 second shot clock. Olbia pa rin. Olbia pass to Pina taking 3. Kenneth Pina, 11-3. In favor of Team Ivan. Wow. First key foul, 6 minutes and 36 seconds. 11-3 in favor of Team Ivan. 11-3 ng mga Team Ivan. Pass to Joaquin, steal by number 1. Pass to Opina. Opina pa rin. Opina short jumper. 2 points. Kenneth Opina. 11-5. In favor of Team Ivan. Guarded by Boy. Crossover move. 15 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. Steal by Boy. Boy, lumipad. 2 points. Boy. 11-7. Charles. Out of bounds. 5 minutes and 45 seconds left. 11-7. 11-7. 4-point lead by Team Ivan. 5 minutes and 37 seconds. Good ball. 16 second shot clock. Steal by number 1. Now na si Opina. Opina. Good. 11-9. 2-point lead na lamang po. Ang grabe hinabol ng Team Maui. Ivan. Crossover po by Ivan. Ivan pa rin. Looper shot. Foul. Second team foul. Change court na po. Change court. First team foul. First team foul. Team Maui. 5 minutes and 7 seconds. Shoutout sa ating mga bros ngayon. Kahit konti, maganda pa rin ang laban. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Next week, bawi tayo next week. Sana marami tayo para makabalik yung photographer natin. 11-9, good ball. Steal. Number 1, pass to Boy. Deadlock, all 11. Justin. Pass to Ivan. Ivan pa rin, pass to Mikey sa ilalim. Mikey sa ilalim. 2 points. Mikey, Nepomuceno. 13-11. Lamang pa rin po, Team Mikey. Ivan. Sorry. 13-11. 13-11. No good. Rebound pa rin ni Idol. Kenneth. Long 2. No good. Rebound by. Good ball. Nakakuha pa rin itong Ivan. 4 minutes and 29. Ivan. Pass to walking step back 3. No good. Rebound by. Justin. Steal by Boy. Nawalan na si Boy. Boy. Boy pa rin. Short number ni Boy. Grabe yun. Deadlock. All 13. All 13.
Pinakalapit na yung
Kami.
Last na yun.
Semis. Pag naana kayo, finals.
Change favor. 15-13. 4 minutes exactly. Dalawa lang. 15-13. Long 2 lang. Stepping long 2. Mikey naman sa ilalim. Maganda pasa. Block by Maui. Nabangan sa ilalim. 15-13. 2-point lead. Team Maui. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds. 12 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Mikey.